guys. Today is April 5 and Sunday and nagsimba ko kanina. Ngayon, sa pagkakalam ko, walang simba sa Sacred Heart kaya doon ako nagpunta sa Don Bosco. Ngayon, nanakawan ako guys. Nawalan ako ng Jisoo Life, yung pin na parang kasing laki siya ng phone ko. Para kasi siyang phone, pero may taling gano'n. Siguro na pagkamalan niya na phone. Na Jisoo Life, guys. Nawala, may nagnakaw. Akala niya phone. Kasi ganito kalaki yun eh. Para, fan ko yun na gano'n eh. Ginamit yun sa Don Bosco. Dala-dala ko pa yun. Nagpapan ako na gano'n. Nilagay ko sa bag ko. Kung nahulog man yun, eh dapat nadilig ko. Diba? Hindi naman eh, di ba? At hindi sinabi kung halimbawa may nakakita, gano'n. Sayang, ang mahal pa naman na sa 700 lessons, pero sa pinaka 400 lessons. And steak, wala na masyado ngayong gano'n. Sabi ng kapatid ko, hayaan mo na. Sabi ko, pag siya nagkasakit, hindi ko na problema yan, ha? May simba pala Sacred Heart. Tapos doon na lang ako nagsimba. Ang dami kasi sa Don Bosco tao. Nagulat talaga ako na wala yung ako actually, bumili ako ng donut, Krispy Kreme. Pumunta pa ako, bumalik pa ako noon. Siyempre, favorite ko yung fan na yun. Pumunta ako sa Krispy Kreme, tinanong ko, Mina, iwan po ba ako ditong fan na Jisoo Life? Sabi nila, wala. Then, pumunta ako sa lotohan kasi tumaya ako. Tinanong ko din kung may naiwan ako, wala daw akong naiwan. Then, bumili ako sa buko na juice. Sabi nila, wala daw akong naiwan, guys. So, ibig sabihin lang nun, sa simbahan yun na wala. Kala nila siguro phone yun. Kasi may tali siya eh. Kasi laki kasi ng phone yun. Order na lang daw ako ulit, sabi ng kapatid ko. Hello, may pangalan ko yun. Hindi dapat na ako nagsimba. Kaya hindi ako nagsimba ganun. February 2007, she was admitted in the region. Magnanakaw din ako. Kasi na ako nagsimba, tinakpan ako ng lalaki, tapos yung isang babae pumunta sa tabi ko. Hindi ko sila yun. Kasi siyempre sa pag ng pari. I'm sick and tired of being tested. I don't want anyone to approach me. After shaving, she gathered up a couple of tattoos. Kala nila iPhone. The following day, Randy was all over the town. Yung sarap nito guys, bibili ko ulit sa kanila. Hindi lagi ako nagaganito kasi nakakasira din ang kailangan. Pag gusto ko lang. Matambal nito itlog. Pero may bulang pa ako guys. Gusto ko na tumikim nito. May ulam akong chicken. Sorry, pinitin ko na lang. Grabe. Yun ako kasi pa to. So, yeah, mamaya ang pasok ko is night shift duty ako. And dalawang araw night shift din. Off din night shift din. Dalawa din. Yun.
Britney later publicly apologized for her outfit to Greg, explaining that back then she was stressed out and even hinted that she was rehearsing a fictional role for a movie. After the incident with the umbrella, Spears realized the necessity for some seriousness. And that very same day, on the 21st of February 2007, she once again got admitted to a rehab center. This time, it was the Promises Clinic in Allen for a full treatment. She had to stay there from 30 to 45 days. Her mom said, Britney began drinking at the age of 13. She started taking drugs at 15. Briefly speaking, Britney underwent treatment, and by the end of 2007, she released Blackout, the dark, experimental album, which critics later labeled as
So yun guys, so yeah. Pag nawala yung boses, ako na yung boses ko, magagawa ko ng monthly expense living alone with this unit, except dun sa previous unit ko ha, kasi mayroon akong previous monthly expense dun, ganun kalaki yung expense ko, pero dito tingnan natin kung gaano kalaki yung expense ko. Feeling ko mas mababa kasi nakakatipid ako dito guys. Nakakatipid ako in the sense na doon kasi guys, noon time ko, wala pa ako masyado. Ano ba? Ayun. Ano ba, nakakatipid ba ako dito? Kasi ang gastos ko ganun. Feeling ko mas nakakatipid ako dito. Kasi sa pamasahe ko dati noon ay puro angkas ako. Dito, nagkukommute ako. Yun, nakakatipid ako. Kasi dito, 2 rides lang.
Such a code is prescribed to a person who potentially pose a threat to themselves or to others, or if they're deemed temporarily incompetent. It was in these specific days that Kevin received full temporary custody of children. At around the same time, her mom, who had previously practically no involvement in her life and only cared about whether Britney was going to God or not,
Pero naubos ko sa isang buwan na itlog.
temporary guardianship over his daughter. The court appointed him
Sound the
as
same.
caretaker. Together with
Nakaano na tala lato dyan.
the lawyer Andrew
Hindi ako masyado nag-itlog na
Petition claimed that
nakakain ko lang siya kapag ano,
dementia since 2000.
pancake.
This was an argument that later caused a huge
Pag ang ulam
Of
ay
course,
mga
another version went around saying
tawag
the
dito?
entire story of setting up the guardianship.
pinapan. Pinapan.
Really lost yourself in having
Minsan nakakamiss din.
life to stay there.
Na ako lamig yun na pa.
Jewelry.
Minsan nakakasawa din na yun. Ay ako may chicken ako sa rin. Hindi ko gusto mo. Hindi ko lang may hindi ko gusto yun.
Britney is incapable.
Pagkaluto or what.
Moreover, long before that,
Walang sauce eh. Binili ko lang dito yan.
who happens to be the manager and founder of the TriStar store in company specializes in the treatment of alcohol and alcohol. There had always been a lot of debate around the president. Fans accused her of being responsible for the financial support.
So, ayun. Wala ako ng donut. Kaya baon ko kasi nito pa ko rin. Pero bago ako pumasok, kumakain ako.
In one way or another, in February of 2008, Britney completely ended up under the guardianship of her father. Next up, we can further analyze the details of how Jamie Spears' team pulled Britney's lawyer out of the case after making her out to look as if she was incapable of choosing a defender for herself in court, as they continue to put pressure on the media to keep putting out the image of a crazy Britney. So I want to direct your attention to something. At the end of 2008, the documentary called For the Record was published about Britney's return to the States. And in it,
So, yung video na to, i-upload ko to by next week. So, I think Holy Week experience. Diba?
this was the last interview in which Britney in any way touched upon the topic of her guardianship. After that, her team started to strictly control each word that comes out of her mouth. All interviewers were
Kasi merong tumabi sa akin na mag-jowa, tapos yung lalaki, tinatakpan niya ako.
An example of this is the story of Carson Davis. His show on MTV offered only a play of live interview. He initially agreed, but it later became clear that the meeting had to be pre-recorded. The questions and answers had to be prepared early and approved by her manager. In fact, after this documentary film, which was wiped out everywhere and is now impossible to find in its entirety in any legitimate source whatsoever, he's not uttered a single word about her body issues. That is, until the year 2021. Meantime, the industry acknowledged Blackout, Vimeo, Cameo, and How I Met Your Mother, and then an album called Starlight. The lead single, Womanizer, returned Britney to the top of the Billboard for the first time since Baby One More.
Magkano kaya ang solar ni Ano?
By the end of the year, her dad managed to prevent a number of individuals from approaching Britney, including Sam Lewis. It isn't fully understood who this person is. He was labeled in the media sometimes as the manager, and other times as a friend. But in reality, his role was much more vague than that. According to rumors and even alleged legal protocols, Lookie tried to help Britney. More specifically, he tried to promote the idea about taking away the garbage. At the same time,
So, nilalagyan ko ng cover talaga. Kasi ba't ang kita mo? Ngayon na po ganyan na inilagay ko sa dito. Because he can be Marcus David Hitton, so
Sam issued a lawsuit for misinformation about it, after which, interestingly, both sides came to a peaceful agreement, and the family paid them $6 figures.
naganda dun sa inyo.
And in 2010, Britney launched a personal collection clothing line. Prior to this moment, she already had a successful perfume line. She had appeared in a cameo in a TV show. She was negotiating about participating in X Factor show. And she did not forget about music. In 2011, the album Filled
Dito
with
po
Power.
kubiran ko na lang ng
The song Hold It Against Me quickly rose to first place on the Billboard Hot 100.
Kasi, hindi kasi hindi mo mga mantika. Dito sa linggo.
And of course, how could we not mention
Talaga
these hit
pinito ko
songs?
ng ano, hirap mag-linggo. Nakakayo ko ng linggo. So, yesterday reunion sa amin, guys. Siyempre, mahirap umuwi. Ang pamasahe doon, 1.5 pabalik. So, mga gastos mo, mga 5,000. Siyempre, buwi ka, dapat may dala kang pera. Hindi ka uwi basta-basta na maraming gagastos ka. Kaya umuwi ako sa province mga 2 times in a year. So, ako ay nasa, nasa studio room.
As far as your
Sila na mga once a year na, o baka hindi sila nilang punta nito. Kasi sayang ang pamasahe. Yung pamasahe niya, ibibigay ko na lang sa kanila. Kasi, diba, as living alone here, kasi naku, nagbabayad lahat, maraming gastos.
Once again, fell in love with Britney. And for some time, all this
May binabayaran ka.
And with him, the topic for
May binabayaran ako.
even though behind the scenes,
Yung papamasahe ko doon, disturb ko na lang, diba?
pictures of Britney crying circulated the air. Behind them, there hid a destroyed home regarding
Alam ko ang bakit kaya ito.
her dad continued to control absolutely every aspect. Fighting, her personal life, relocation, medications that she took, and even who she surrounds herself with, for whom, by that point, almost none were left. During a meeting with psychiatrists, Britney said that she was stable enough and ready to live independently. And frankly speaking, that's easy to believe. This person works almost non-stop, taking part in a massive TV show, performs, records
Yung ganito kong,
while
ganito,
not go to Starbucks.
nauubos ko ito, isang ganito one month.
Nevertheless, nothing has changed since Britney remains
Oh,
under the
anak na
guardianship
to.
of her dad, who,
Hindi na lang ulit ako ng isa.
received a $18
Magical
million
na yan, guys.
now. This has been the biggest
Yung sweldo ko, guys, pang single na tao lang yan, guys, na meron kang sariling bahay, yung nagre-rento. Pero kung ikay magpapamilya, na may anak ka, hindi mo kaya yan, guys. Dapat may isa kang asawa ka na nagtatrabaho din, hindi pwedeng isa lang. So, ako nga isa, ganito, mahirap pa, diba? So, yung sweldo ko, pang single na babae lang na nagre-rento, gano'n.
Mysterious videos. No concerts, no interviews, just confusing content.
Ganun ang aking budget na. Kasi kung nasa ibang bansa ka, kung ang sweldo mo siguro ay 100,000 yan.
Exactly that happened. For nearly 2 months, Britney almost did not show up.
O kaya, pwede naman makabuhay ka. Pwede ka makabuhay ng ganito yung salary mo sa akin na wala kang binabayarang rent.
This alarmed fan.
Hindi ka nagbabayad ng rent.
Here, everything looked like it was written by
May sarili kang bahay at
the
lupa.
authors of the Britney Spears podcast shed light on this issue. Soon after,
Diba?
they got anonymous messages from a lawyer who claimed to work with Britney and claimed that she was sent to a clinic.
Pero kung nagre-rent ka lang,
and all of this
noon,
leads people to
sa sweldo ng mga nurse na ngayon ng nurse, hindi kaya.
After that, the most famous conspiracy theory.
Ang depende kung
Wear a yellow shirt
meron ka
if you're not
talagang
feeling
bahay
well.
at lupa, hindi ka
Personally,
nagbabayad
I
ng
don't believe in all that.
yan, pwede
It's the
yung
very
sweldo
way that
mo
became the starting point for the
sa
Free
pag-aasawa.
Britney movement. Initially, her father, Jamie Spears, spoke out everywhere, saying that all these
Yung sweldo
conspiracy
namin, hindi man
theories
ganun
don't know
kalaki,
anything.
guys.
The world don't have a clue.
Una sa lahat,
It's up
malaki
to
ang
the
tax
court of
namin.
California to decide what's best for my daughter.
Malaki ang namin sa PhilHealth,
But then, against
yung
the
deduction
backdrop of
namin,
the
yung
igniting Free Britney
BSIS
campaign,
na.
he temporarily
Diba?
left his position as our guardian,
Malaki ang
while
gas na.
saving
Siyempre,
for himself the authority
minsan,
of declining.
lalo na ako, nung ako'y nag-move in dito, kinapito, I'm on adjustment period, may mga loan ako, guys. Let's accept the fact na meron akong loan na kailangan kong bayaran. So, matatapos yun mga June. May kasi yun June wala na.
This movie became a trigger. The Free Britney movement exploded with new force. And people once again went out on the
Kaya
street.
yun, masasabi ko.
Finally allowed
Medyo pause pa ako, guys. Di man nang sinabi. Kung ano ba nahulog, di man nang sinabi sa akin. Nahulog po yung iyong fan. Gano'n. Di man naman nagabi talaga.
She said in this court hearing, quote, I feel ganged up on, I feel
So,
bullied, and I feel left out
na-feel
and
sad na
alone,
wala yung
and I'm
aking.
tired of feeling
Parang
alone."
ayoko nung
She said that
magsimba.
she's being exploited and
Ayoko
that
nung
she
magsimba
gets
na wala yung mga
raped,
aking fan
harassed,
doon.
and cries every day.
And even though the process took a few months, Britney anyway sought for a release. For the first time in 13 years, she was free. After she felt free, she even got married again. This time it was to Sam Ashgar, that very same guy from the Slumber Party
So,
music
ayun.
video. However, they didn't last together for too long. And in 2023 to 2024, they got divorced. Britney later described her marriage with Sam as a fake distraction during a time when she was going through a
So,
rough period.
magpapahinga na ako and then ayos na ako sa sarili kasi napasok ko na.
Especially if they had such a cool wedding.
Yun lang.
Sam was expressing that the
I will share my
feelings were sincere,
experience
that
that I
validates
do
the memories of their relationship.
here, living
And then
alone
there's her social media.
during Holy Week
They
season.
almost didn't change. The same
Nagsimba
days
ba
as
ako?
Friday,
Ganon-ganon,
stock
guys.
pictures,
So, actually, sa
strange
Sacred Heart ako
captions,
nagsisimba.
constant debate. Is
Since
she
nag-search
the
ako sa
one
Makati, may
posting
simba ba
memories
na
up?
ngayon?
When
Kasi
this
nakita
video
ko,
goes
nakita ko talaga
viral,
walang
in
nakalagay.
2024, rumors were once
Na
again
12,
linked to her having
nasa
issues
ano.
with her psychological health. But Britney herself emphasized that she feels free and no longer allows anyone to
Walang
control her.
nakalagay.
Which is
Pero
why
nung
she doesn't allow
pumunta ako
even
sa
relatives to get
Facebook,
close to her.
meron.
Alright, so we get it about her dad as he's a tyrant in her eyes and that she doesn't want to see him. But what about her mom, you might ask? After Britney was finally free, her relationship with her mother, Lynn, was not so stable.
Yan, walang
Sometimes they seemed
nakalagay.
to reconcile. And at
5
other
a.m.
times, it
lang.
was as if they were fighting.
Yan, walang nakalagay na
Brittany still bitterly remembers that neither her mom nor her
schedule
sister left her
Sunday.
money for the garbage. So
Wala.
it's difficult for her to completely let go after Tiffany. With that, her story remains controversial. On the one hand, there's victory with the guardianship case, and on
Or
the
what?
other, a constant
Kala ko lang simba, kaya doon ako nagsimba. Nagsisituloy ako. Doon na lang sana ako nagsimba. So, yeah. See you later if I have time. Bis na ako ng months lang. Mamaya na ako bis sa pantas.
2,000 years later.
So yeah guys, papasok na ako maya-maya. At na-delete ko yung ilang videos din yun. 12 plus 6. 18 videos guys. Isang tangan, isang katangahan. So, papasok na ako mamaya. Grabe no. Then, bukas, then ulit, then off. So, hindi ako makaget over. Saan kaya napunta? Hindi kaya ay ninakaw? Kasi, hindi ko labas maisip, bakit wala sa bag ko? That means, ninakaw siya. Akala niya ay cellphone. Kasi meron siyang necklace. Yun ay fan ng Jesus Life guys. Nakakainis guys. Grabe. Kung pwede lang ibalik mo, diba? Linggo-linggo ng pagkabuhay ni Jesus, nagnakaw ka. Diba? Balak siguro nakawin niya yung phone ko. Diba? Lima lang niya sinabi sa akin. Kung halimbawa nahulog, wala naman nahulog, diba? Naiinis ako. Nawawala yung DJI phone. Dapat ba akong pumunta sa simbahan kanina para ako kung nahulog or parang dala ko siya eh. Hindi ko lang kung sa Makati Sinners Girl sa simbahan. Doon na sa simbahan ko yung ginamit guys, nawala sa simbahan. Ang mga katabi ko lang, may bata ako nakasada doon ng tinapay. Siguro mga teenager yon. Yung naging katabi ko nun, tinakpan ako ng lalaki, yung babae tumabi sa akin. Tapos may mag-boyfriend na tumabi sa kabila. Diba? Ayan po, ano nangyari. Kung nahulog at nakita naman din, sinabi sa akin, diba?
The next day.
So guys, nandito na ako. Huh? So, hi guys. Naglinis na ako ng face, nilamos na ako. Tutulog na ako. And see you later guys. Baka bukas na lang ako bumili ng isla para magsinigang ako. So, yeah. Tutulog na ako.
2,000 years later. next day.
So yeah guys, nandito na ako. Bumili ako ng ulam nga pala. So actually guys, my budget is only 500.
Much, much, much later. The next day.
So yeah guys, kagising ko lang. It's April 7. So nagtataka ako kasi may billing ako bukas ang due date. Biglang naging April 7. Diba? Bakit ganun? Magkasabay ako siya din. Bakit ganun? Diba? Nakakainis lang. Pinagin ako na YouTube. Ang pinapanood ko lang dito sa bahay ay YouTube. Hindi ako na YouTube lang. As in cellphone, pang minsan, nilalagay ko sa PowerPoint yung cellphone. Wala akong TV. Ayoko na mag-TV. Isa pang space, function. Sa PowerPoint, ganun naman iba tataas pero bababa ko lang. Pati mas tipid sa kuryente pag
Old man regularly, but finally found some.
pinapanood ko mga
Rooms where people
abandoned
can stay.
Christy
Right next to the
Browning.
garden, they would have these hotel rooms.
Tingnan mo na ako.
Let's take a look at one of them. It's pretty spacious.
It's
a twin bedroom. Geez, I love the view here. You can see the parking lot from here. At least you can
So,
walk right
kami
up.
as local
It's a
government,
beautiful garden.
regular employee, ngayon may offer si President
Look what
dito.
all these tents could be.
As diba, taxpayer kami naman, babayad na ng tax.
Look at each other's side. Showing the dream mats.
Ayun, meron kami 3 months refund sa GSIS.
Oh my gosh.
Thank you, President. So, kami yung mga kasamahan ko, waiting kami.
Oh my god.
So, experience man lang namin, makakatulong yun sa crisis namin na financial crisis na yun.
Can't go.
Dapat meron din kami ayun.
All the way. The very top floor now.
Baka bukas na ako mag-live stream, pero hindi, may work bukas eh, depende. Medyo paos pa ako, kaya hindi, baka di ako mag-live stream. Zero time.
Interventional therapy.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
This is really a nice dish.
Subset, the luxury depends on where you live.